Standard 10 Mathematics Part 2 Chapter number 3 Circle. Inscribed angle theorem. The measure of an inscribed angle is half of the measure of the intercepted by it. Given in center O, angle BAC is inscribed angle and arc in arc BAC and arc BDC intercepted arc. To prove measure angle BAC equal to 1/2 measure arc BDC. Construction. Draw segment OA. It increases the circle at point. Intersect circle at point E. Draw OC. Proof. In triangle AOC, AO congruent OC, radius of the circle. So angle OAC equal to angle ACO equal to X. Angle opposite congruent side or isosceles triangle theorem. So angle EOC is exterior angle of triangle AOC. So by remote interior angle theorem, EOC is equal to x plus x means 2x. So but angle EOC is in central angle and minor arc are equal. So arc EC is also 2x. So in triangle AOC, OA equal to OC, radius of the same circle. OAC equal to OCA, theorem of isosceles triangle or angle opposite congruent side. Let OAC equal to OCA equal to x, equation 1. Now EOC is exterior angle of triangle AOC. So AAC plus OCA. So x plus x is 2x. But EOC is central angle. So central angle is equal to the measure arc EC twice x. By definition of an arc, equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, OAC equal to EAC, 1/2 measure arc EC. Similarly, draw OB. We can prove EAB equal to 1/2 measure arc B from equation 1 and 2, adding equation 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Angle EAC plus angle EAB equal to 1/2 measure arc EC plus measure arc B from equation 1 and 4. Angle BAC equal to 1/2 measure arc EC plus B means BEC. BEC means BDC. So prove that the inscribed angle theorem. Corollaries of inscribed angle theorem. First corollary is angle inscribed in the same arc are congruent. So we'll draw a diagram and prove this theorem. We draw a diagram. So given angle PQR and angle PSR are inscribed angle in the arc PQR and arc PTR is intercepted arc. Here arc PTR is intercepted arc. So to prove angle PQR congruent angle PSR. Proof angle PQR is inscribed angle and arc PTR is intercepted arc. So angle PQR equal to 1/2 measure arc PTR. Equation 1. Inscribed angle theorem. Inscribed angle theorem. Similarly, angle PSR is also inscribed angle and arc PTR is intercepted arc. So by inscribed angle theorem, angle PSR equal to 1/2 measure arc PTR. Equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, right hand side are same, equal. So from equation 1 and 2, PQR equal to PSR means angle PQR congruent angle PSR. Prove this equation. So inscribe and the angle in the same arc are congruent. Second corollary, angle inscribed in a semicircle is a right angle. So we draw a diagram, draw a circle, AC is diameter, ABC is inscribed angle and AX is intercepted arc. Given angle ABC is inscribed angle and arc AX is intercepted arc in the semicircle ABC. To prove ABC equal to 90 degree. Proof, angle ABC is inscribed angle and arc AX is intercepted arc. So measure angle ABC equal to 1/2 measure arc AXC inscribed angle theorem. So 1/2 into AXC is a semicircle. So measure of semicircle is 180 degree. So measure angle ABC equal to 90 degree. This is the inscribed angle in semicircle are right angle. So angle ABC is right angle. Right angle. Important theorem, cyclic quadrilateral. If all vertices of quadrilateral in the same circle, then it is called as cyclic quadrilateral. Theorem of cyclic quadrilateral. Theorem, opposite angle of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary means sum is 180 degree. So we draw a diagram, quadrilateral ABCD, all vertices are on the circle, so this is cyclic. So given quadrilateral ABCD is cyclic quadrilateral. To prove angle B plus angle D equal to 180 degree, angle A plus angle C equal to also 180 degree. Proof, arc ABC is intercepted arc of by the inscribed angle ADC. So angle ADC equal to 1/2 measure arc ABC. Equation number 1. Similarly, arc angle ABC is inscribed angle and arc ADC is intercepted arc. So by inscribed angle theorem, angle ABC equal to 1/2 measure arc ADC. Equation number 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. 1 is ADC plus 2 is ABC. 1/2, 1 is right hand side, measure arc ABC plus measure arc ADC. So sum of measure arc 1/2 common. So measure arc ABC. ABC plus ABC plus ADC becomes a circle. Measure of circle is 180 degree. 360 degree. So 360 half is 180 degree. Similarly, we can prove that angle A plus angle C is also 180 degree. This is a cyclic quadrilateral theorem. Corollary of cyclic quadrilateral, an exterior angle of cyclic quadrilateral is congruent to the angle opposite to its adjacent interior angle. An exterior angle of cyclic quadrilateral is congruent to the angle opposite to its interior angle. This is a exterior angle cyclic quadrilateral theorem. Exterior angle cyclic quadrilateral theorem. Given quadrilateral in this diagram, quadrilateral ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So angle DCE is exterior angle of cyclic quadrilateral ABCD. This is given. To prove angle DCE congruent angle BAD. Proof, quadrilateral ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. This is theorem. So measure angle BAD plus measure angle BCD equal to 180 degree from equation 1. This is a cyclic quadrilateral theorem. So angle DCE plus angle DCB or BCD is equal to 180 degree. Equation 2, angle in linear pair. From equation 1 and 2, right hand side equal. So left hand side equal angle BAD plus angle BCD equal to angle DCE plus angle BCD. Angle BCD same, so both are cancelled. So angle BAD equal to measure angle DCE, means that is angle DCE congruent angle BAD. This is the exterior angle of cyclic quadrilateral theorem. Converse of cyclic quadrilateral theorem: if a pair of opposite angle of quadrilateral is supplementary, then quadrilateral is cyclic. One pair is supplementary, then any quadrilateral is cyclic quadrilateral. Theorem: if two points on a given line subtended equal angle at two distinct points which lie on the same side of the line, then the points are concyclic. Means line AD subtended angle ABC and ACD on the same side of the line, so both are congruent, then the all 4 points are concyclic point, or this quadrilateral is also cyclic. This is the one property. Angle AEC is inscribed angle, vertex of inscribed angle is interior of the circle. Then the measure of angle AEC equal to 1/2 measure of arc AC plus measure of arc PD यांच्या दोघांच्या बेरजेच्या तो निम्मे असतो. Also CEB is equal to 1/2 measure of arc BC plus measure of arc AD. In this way, this is the property. कोणाचा शिरोबिंदू वर्तुळाच्या बाहेर असेल तर त्या कोणाने अंतर्खंडित केलेल्या कंसांच्या मापाच्या वजाबाकीच्या निम्मे असतो. So when inscribed angle of vertex is exterior of the circle, then the measure of angle is 1/2 is into bracket difference of their arc. So measure of angle BED equal to 1/2 measure of arc BD, larger arc is BD minus smaller arc AC. This is the property.